everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. This video I am going to share meat fatayer. Fatayer is a Middle Eastern meat pie popular throughout the Middle East. They can have a variety of fillings from meat to cheese or spinach. It is a part of Arab cuisine and is eaten in Iraq, Syria, Egypt, Lebanon, Jordan and Palestine. For the dough, we need 1 tablespoon instant yeast, sugar 1 tablespoon, lukewarm milk 1 1/4 cups and let it sit for 10 minutes until the yeast proves. Then you can add salt 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 cups of all-purpose flour and let it mix with a wooden spoon. Knead it well with a stand mixer if you have, otherwise you can mix it well with your hand and knead until a smooth and soft dough appears. Add few drops of oil and you can cover with a kitchen towel and let it sit for 2 hours until the dough rises. Meanwhile, you can prepare the meat filling. Here I am using 2 pounds of minced beef. Heat a pan, add the beef. Break the meat as it cooks. Drain any extra fat, then you can add 1 tablespoon olive oil and saute for 1 minute and then add 1 onion finely chopped and 3 garlic cloves finely chopped. Let it saute for like 2 minutes until the onion becomes translucent. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix everything well until it combines together. Now it's time to add all the seasoning. 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. You can adjust to your taste and half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and salt to your taste. Mix it well. Add half cup of water and let it cover and cook for like 5 minutes and make sure to stir in between. Meat filling is ready here. Now you can turn off the heat and let it cool. After 2 hours, your dough will be ready. You can punch few times and then you can transfer to the working surface and then cut it into 6 equal portions. Make a round shape and then you can keep it in the baking tray and let it cover and sit for another 15 more minutes. For the side filling, we need cheese mix. I'm using mozzarella cheese, a half cup, parsley 1 teaspoon, red chili flakes half teaspoon and give it a mix. After 15 minutes, you can dust some flour on the working surface and roll the dough into an oval shape. Once you got the desired size, you can add cheese on the sides and then you can fold. Nicely pinch the edges and then you can put the meat filling in the center and sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top. Now you can transfer to the baking tray. The similar way you can make all the pie ready. Then just before baking, you can do the egg wash. For the egg wash, we need 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk whisked together and then brush all the sides of the Fatayer. Now you can sprinkle some white and black sesame seeds on the sides and then you can sprinkle a little bit of parsley leaves and red chili flakes on top of the meat. Bake it in the preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until it's golden brown. Once it's done, you can remove and let it sit in the cooling rack for 5 minutes before serving. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.